Or am I wrong?
Where are we doing it? Oh, you seriously want to do this? Not in Justice's room. She gonna get mad.
Where the hell are you at?
Like a fucking kid, man.
You lying.
Somebody just drove past.
Yeah.
Oh.
Who?
Somebody found the crib.
Who?
Somebody
What?
just drove past with they was looking at us. They're like,
They already gone.
Who cares? All right, Dan, you ready, bro? You just have too many shit, bro. Like,
Yeah. That's me.
oh, this is annoying.
I remove all this stuff. It's laying right there.
Just remove your laptop, really.
Give me some.
Yeah, just your laptop.
Move on my P5. Give me this.
What?
I can't recover all this stuff.
Ugh, fuck it, let's do it.
Wait.
Not yet. Hey.
I'm getting tired, bro.
Not kill himself.
Nah. Move my laptop.
Yeah.
I ain't look like a fireworks, sir.
I think you should go, Destiny.
Put him in blue. Put him right here. Cause if you put it right there,
Excuse
you
me.
have more effect on it.
Thank you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm hiding behind
What is this? Yes.
Yeah.
you. I'm gonna hide in the corner or behind.
If that catch a fire, what
behind
happens?
something.
What?
Nope.
I think it's just a heater. I don't think.
There it is here.
I
Yes,
moved
it
this
is.
spot.
All right, come on, bro. Fuck it. I don't lie.
Yeah, DM. I'm gonna miss that couch.
We're gonna put that.
What?
We're
No.
gonna close it down.
I like this.
Everybody easy. Oh wait. Oh. Okay, go ahead. Since you good.
Not near the curtains. We ain't trying to set a fire.
Where be the best spot? Like right here? I need like a chair. Give me that chair that's in there.
Worry about it.
Your phone right there too.
Whatever.
Hey yo.
Yeah, I think your phone right there.
You can get a
The
bucket right
sparks
here.
that fly off and burn holes in the roof. Alright, we're gonna close it. You're gonna do it, do it.
I'm gonna miss that couch.
I know. Do it, bro. I'm doing it.
Wait. Get the chair first.
I gotta get my revenge on Pikachu. I'm not stalling. All right, okay, let's do it. Give it to me.
Get your phone.
We're doing this shit. Let's lock the fuck
Get
in.
your phone.
My phone. Oh, my phone.
Yeah. I'm trying to tell you.
That's all I
Not paying
need.
attention.
That's all I need. Good GG's.
Okay, I'm gonna miss that couch. Exactly.
Dan, come here.
Wait. Watch out, Slick. I'm sorry, Cookie.
Excuse me.
Well, what you doing?
Yo,
Let's go over.
Destiny, go over there.
Okay. That looks like it's safety.
Hold on, wait. Come over here. All right, you ready?
Why you going in air?
I feel like it's safety.
Bro, just go over there in case something does happen. Why y'all over here?
You're right. You Cookie.
Why would y'all be in here, trapped in here? Trapped in a fucking closet.
Come on. All right, come on. Light it up. Get the bucket.
You got water?
Yeah. Whoa!
That's okay. All right, just chill. Oh my God!
Okay, if it lights up, it's gone.
No, obviously, just get your put this shit like.
I'm about to say, if you like out, you hit me one too.
So nobody ain't gonna be right here with me.
No. You got Slips? You got your best friend the whole entire world?
He like right here, Slips. Yeah.
I'm trying to stay out.
You got your best friend the whole entire world? They about to light up my room.
All right, let's go, bro.
Man, I'm gonna miss that couch.
What did I say the last time? Pikachu.
You guys said Pikachu.
What'd I say?
Pikachu.
Pikachu. Who was that? Alrighty. Why is it so dark? I hate that.
RP.
Close that.
RP,
Close
bro.
this.
Hurry up and
RP.
Oh yeah, cover's gonna help that.
take that
Do it look better now?
before you light it on fire.
My room. I loved it. But it's gotta go in heat.
So you gonna leave all your shoes?
It look
your
better.
slippers,
Look
your
better.
gloves?
Look better.
Skip it.
You gonna leave your fingers, your sword?
I hope you got a chance.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Even that enemy girl box that I told you.
What anime girl box? Oh.
Yes, I have my shield.
Pikachu! Let's go!
He's right.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Come on, Pikachu! Give me back! Give me back! Oh my god! Oh shit! Stop it! Stop it! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh my god! Stop! 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 Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
The bucket's right there.
I survived! Pikachu!
My room.
I beat Pikachu! 2023!
Air freshener, bro. Give me your burn. Bad burn.
I gotta go downstairs. It's not gonna come. I'm gonna stay up.
Sorry. Stream. Ah, fuck. I gotta get out. I gotta go.